Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by gathering the necessary raid medals and confirming targets. Start now by opening the raid tab and sorting medals by rarity. Once done, free at least 10 inventory slots so you avoid losing drops, and prioritize event medals because they expire or convert at better rates. Make sure to pick a conversion goal, troop upgrades, hero boosts, or cosmetics, so your spending yields maximum strategic value. This planning step prevents wasted medals and prepares you for the next set of actions. Now you convert and allocate medals with deliberate choices. Open the exchange menu and compare rates. Sometimes trading lower medals for one high tier is more efficient. Once done, allocate top rarity medals to your highest impact upgrades and funnel common medals into filler or incremental boosts. Make sure to watch upgrade thresholds. You want to push one unit past each milestone rather than spread thin. By tracking counts and thresholds, you maintain momentum and avoid mid-process stalls when a single medal would finish by executing the final purchases and confirming each upgrade so you don't misallocate medals. Purchase in clear, intentional steps and double-check targets before you spend. If a medal doesn't register, relog, clear cache, or restart the client and then retry the conversion path. These fixes resolve most sync issues. Finally, keep a small reserve of medals, about 5 to 10%, which lets you react to surprise events or correct mistakes. This safety buffer prevents costly backtracking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.